Hi viewers, today's topic is to tell about more on Java project and Maven project. I would like to tell the difference of these. Okay. Uh, Generally, whenever you talk about Java, we all know this Java or C contains mostly OOPS concepts. Okay, and coming to Java, it is more independent in nature. That's where in whichever the platform that you wanted to run your program will be executing fine without any issues, right? So most of the viewers will be having a doubt on what is the difference between Maven projects and Java projects. Okay, I will clarify you here. So coming to Java projects, let's say not only whenever you are doing any program, not only the features that Java is having, you are also dependent on the third party applications as well. So whenever you want to interact with the third party applications, you need to download the jar file of that particular application which for which you wanted to access, to get the access to those applications and implement logic on that particular applications. To do so, let's say for example you have 10 third party applications to be interacted, then you have to download physically or manually related to that applications. You have to download the jars, and you have to resolve the dependencies, okay, whatnot. And you have to map those jar files to your libraries, okay, and all those things you need to do physically. But whenever you use Maven, so these configuration related whatever you are having dependencies will be done and taken care by itself. So you will be having a file name called POM. Okay, so using that POM, it's a the format of POM file is XML file. There you have to mention all the dependencies, libraries that you are having, okay, and you have to mention there. Then whenever you try to build the Maven project, automatically all the third party application jar files will be downloaded automatically without your intervention. And it saves your time. Not only that, if you want to build the project uh, physically using Java, again you need to write the programs to do such things. So if you have Maven, the this process, this approach will become very easy. Now I will take you to my own blog where you will be knowing all the details related to the difference between Java project and Maven project. Just type my name in the Google, it will take you to my blog. Okay, so here just try for Maven project. So now we landed on the topic, what is the difference between normal Java project and Maven project. You see here, okay, I have listed few points here. Normal project and Maven project, observations are you won't see the Maven life cycle, and also POM does not present in the simple Java project. Okay, you see here, I will click on this. So here, whenever you have a Maven project, you will be seeing Maven here. Okay, so whenever you run simple Java projects, you will be having only like this. So you have to right click on the program and you have to click run on it. Okay, so this is a simple Java program. So in the IDE, okay, you will be writing a Java sample like this, and you will be right clicking on the Java and it will be executed. Okay, So this is Maven project, you see. So coming to Maven project, the structure of this Maven project will be totally different. So automatically a PALM file will be created with XML format. Okay, and at the right side you will be seeing life cycle of this particular Maven. So whenever a new updates been injected to this PALM file, you have to clean that particular Maven. You see validate, you can compile, you can test, and you can package this Java. You can package this Maven project as well. You can install all the dependencies. You can deploy also. Okay, as a jar file. So whatnot you can do all the things without any extra efforts here programmatically. Okay, not only structural difference. So you see, as I said, whenever you are having Maven, you will be having page object model here. Okay, this is a POM file, and software project. Maven is a software project management and comprehensive tool where you can manage build, report, and documentation will be done automatically. Okay, if you have Maven, you will be having all these features that you can run. So you can run this Maven using IDE that you are using, or through command prompt also you can execute. But whereas in simple Java program, so you have to run from your command prompt, right, most of the times. So whatever you wanted, you have to depend upon the console and you have to run that. Okay, so and another major thing in the Maven is every dependency constitutes group ID, artifact ID, and version of that particular third party applications that you are using. Okay, for example, so if you want to take Selenium, so Selenium dependencies will have group ID, artifact ID, version ID, like this. So not only that, whatever you wanted, okay, it could, if you want to work on Word document, if you want to work on any for example email related, so email related will have a group ID, artifact ID, and version ID. So you have to install, you want to paste this particular dependency in the POM file and you build it, it will run automatically. Okay, so here you have the steps how to create a Maven project in any of the IDE. Okay, so you have to go like this, and new project will, here you have to select the Maven. So as I said just now, it will be asking for group ID, artifact ID, version. Okay, then you have to create your project name and location, then finish. This is how your Maven project will be created. As soon as Maven project will be is created, you will be having the default structure like this. Okay, these are the libraries associated to the JDK. If you have any third party dependencies that we have added here to the POM file, then the respective libraries will be coming, and thereon you can start working on that. Okay, so hope you guys understand this particular differences between Java project and normal Java project and Maven project. Thanks a lot. సివి హార్ట్ క్రియేషన్స్ ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కమెంట్ చేయండి. ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి.